This is the easiest way to make money online. Hi guys, so you're interested in making money online with ChatGPT? Well, first of all, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses natural language processing to generate human-like responses to user input. It's trained on a massive dataset of conversations, which enables it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics. So how can we use ChatGPT to make money? Well, one way is to offer content creation services, such as writing articles, blog posts, and other social media posts. With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate unique and high quality content for your clients, which will save you time and allow you to work on more work all at once, so you can have multiple clients sending you lots of money. So first of all, let's get on to ChatGPT. So if you go into Google, of course, and you type ChatGPT, you'll get the top link over here by openai.com. You just need to click that and it will load up the homepage. So it is by OpenAI, as you can see in the top corner, and all you need to do now is click Try ChatGPT. Now, it will take you straight here to the home page if you have an account. I'm going to quickly log out just now. If you don't have an account, you'll see there's an option to log in to the left or sign up to the right. So you obviously need to sign up and just follow the simple steps. You need to verify your email and enter in a passcode that you get to your phone, and then you can of course create your account and verify it. I've already got an account, so I'm going to quickly just log in again. So here's a home page just now. I'm going to quickly show you first of all how ChatGPT works and its possibilities and how to use it to essentially generate pieces of content that you can sell to make money online. It does have examples to the left hand side, so you can get an idea of what it's capable of here. It can generate script, answer questions, give you ideas. It has a wee note of some capabilities here and its limitations, so just note it's obviously not perfect. Some inputs can confuse the system, but generally speaking, for what we're going to use it for, you should have no issues at all. So for an example, just to show you the capability of this tool, I can type in a question or ask it to create something. So let's say, give 5 ideas to make money online. So put that through and it will generate this quite quickly. So here are 5 ideas for making money online. So number 1, start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it. 2, sell products or services through an e-commerce website. 3, offer freelances services such as writing, graphic design. 4, participate in paid online surveys. And 5, become an affiliate marketer. Now that's great. That's obviously good to that quite quickly for us. There's not too much information here. One top tip that I'll give you just now is the better your input, the better its output. So let's say, for example, can you, if we now ask it to essentially generate a bit more information and give us a bit more detail, it can also do that for us. So let's make our input better. So we'll just ask you to, can you give more information about each of them? So you can see here already, guys, the paragraphs are a lot longer. There's a lot more information in each one of these paragraphs. It's not just a simple one sentence. There's a lot more detail, a lot more helpful information, and then again in a conversational manner as well. So here we go. That's kind of a brief outline of the kind of capability of ChatGPT. As I say, the more prompts you give it, the better and the more kind of fine-tuned your outcome and answer will be. So top tip number 1 is the better your input, the better its output. So with that in mind, we'll show you how you can use this to make money. So here is where we're going to make the money. You might have seen this website before. It's called Fiverr. It's a freelance website, so find the perfect freelance services for your business. So you can sell your service or your product, or of course, opposite, you can buy a product or a service on this website. There's lots of different professional services like logo design, WordPress, voiceover, etc., translation, SEO, book covers, lots of different options here. We'll be using this website to essentially generate outputs from our ChatGPT and selling on Fiverr. So let's type in writing articles. So writing articles is a huge product or service that you can provide on Fiverr. We can see here that there's lots of content creations and creators that are selling a lot of product, a lot of articles in this case, for a lot of money. For example, here we have one that's done 654, 560 over here, and this is for 56 pounds here, so that's almost like $30 and $60-70 over here. This one's even at $100, and that's 387. So really a lot of money to be made by just selling articles or blogs on certain topics that you can provide. So you can see there's a big demand for this service. And you might be thinking, I can't really write a lot of articles, I'm not very good at writing blogs. Well, the ChatGPT will help you out for that. So let's go back into ChatGPT, and I'm going to now click New Chat. So let's first of all think, let's say we have a client who wants an article about Bitcoin. Write an article about Bitcoin. So just like that, it will generate an article, and you'll see it just typing it away just now. So it'll take, obviously it'll take a minute or so just for it all to be generated, but you can see it working away just now. So, just like that, we have a pretty good article with a couple different paragraphs about it. But I would say it's quite short. It's probably not the best quality article. It's great for just typing in a sentence and getting this after 30 seconds. But if we were to sell this on, as a product, it would probably need to be a higher standard. So remember, I said before, the better the input, the better output. So we'll be showing you some top tips now. So make sure you watch every minute to see how we can make this article really high quality and really professional. So first top tip here is, let's say we wanted to have this article be aimed more towards elderly people. So let's write this in. Rewrite the article with the tone aimed towards elderly people. So there we go. It's now talking about digital currency versus traditional currency. It's now aimed more towards elderly people. So again, we can now manipulate its tone to kind of cater towards a different client base. But again, it's not very short. It's still not long enough for us to write a full article about it. So let's type in headline Bitcoin, and now just write a blog outline, and then tone towards for elderly. So here we go. We've now created a blog outline. So that's generated an introduction and 4 different chapters about Bitcoin after that point. And each one of these chapters will have certain detail and subheadings about what it's going to talk about. So we can use this now to generate a bit more detail and compile all the information into one big article. So what we'll do now is write headline. We'll just copy this again. And I'm going to write a blog outline, because now what we're going to do is write an article, write an introduction, and now what I'm going to do is type structure and put these points in. So what is Bitcoin, and brief overview of how it works. So I'll paste that in, and just like that, we've got a kind of good setup for a lot of information for the ChatGPT to interpret and generate what it's asking us in as much detail as possible, closest to what we've asked for. So again, you can see it's now introduction. It's creating that introduction for us, and it has covered what is Bitcoin and a brief overview of how it works. Now, if we can switch over to a Word document, we can now start inputting this data in. So if I copy this through, go into our Word document, and let's put our headline here, Bitcoin. We can paste in our detail. Now it does come up with this kind of background that it has on the website. So we can just highlight all this and click the option here to clear all formatting. You'll have it like this. Okay, it'll be back to normal again. So that's the introduction done. We can now move over to the next step. So we have now second kind of chapter is benefits of using Bitcoin. So if I was to copy that and the 2 paragraphs, bullet points below, that's what the structure is going to be about. So we know now headline is benefits of using Bitcoin. The structure is the 2 points below. And we want to keep the tone again for elderly people. And now I'm going to type write a blog section. So there we go. It's written a blog section about the benefits of using Bitcoin with the structure involving these two options here, and it's towards elderly people. It talks about as an elderly individual. It talks about your grandchild. So it really has catered the article for elderly people. Now we can copy this through and again input it back into our Word document. Perfect. So here we go. We've got our kind of start to the article. We would then obviously now go and do that again for the third section here, the risks of using Bitcoin, and then the fourth, and then finally the conclusion. And just by obviously repeating those steps, you'll be able to generate a full article. This is already 440 words here. A couple more paragraphs will probably be well over close to 2,000 words. 2,000 article that you've created in probably like 5 minutes. That's unbelievable, and you can sell that in Fiverr as many times as you want and generate a huge profit. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help anyone generate professional grade articles quickly and easily. Its ability to produce high quality content will allow you to sell several articles to any satisfied client. And I believe it has the potential to do the same for other writers. If you're looking for a way to increase your productivity and create top-notch content, make money online easily and quickly, I highly recommend giving ChatGPT a try. It has truly been a game changer for me, and I believe it can be for you as well. So guys, if you've learned something from this video, you've hopefully picked up on some tips here with your prompts and the top tips that we showed throughout the video. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. That will help me out a lot. But thanks very much guys. Peace.